So you know by now from the title of the video that we are in Mexico, and boy am I loving it. This is the ride in from Cancun to Merida where we are currently staying, and let me tell y'all, I felt like home when that heat hit my skin. And this is the look. I felt like I was on like the North Coast Highway from Kingston going to the north coast of Jamaica. It is complete with construction on the side of the road and bridge a bill and all kind of things. I was in literal heaven seeing all of this. Like the place kind of look like Jamaica. I don't mind it none at all. It's like a Jamaica, but it's more affordable. It's safer. It has better infrastructure. So far, I don't know, man. I don't know. I kind of feel like I'm home, guys. So this ride was long. It took us a grand total of 5 hours with the stops from coming from Cancun to Merida. So I don't know if that's the best route, but I'm just happy that we had a private driver taking us in because we were tired, y'all. The flight was at 5 a.m. and we stopped in Panama. I did enough things, but anyway. Bienvenida a Merida, Mexico, where we are downtown, and I would never do this in downtown Jamaica. Downtown anywhere, whether I'm at the Kingston, Mobile, Mandeville, take out phone on a video, never. But come along with us as we explore downtown Merida.
I want she to feel like she's a celebrity, you know.
Well, all right then. I'll take it. So who does that though? Like, what is the first place that you visit when you go to somewhere new? I don't know where I got this thing of wanting to visit like the markets and the downtown area of a place to check out like the life of the city, but that's exactly what we did. And so we went to the downtown area to eat, just kind of walk around and take in the scenery. This is the Plaza de Grande, where the infamous Merida sign is. It's like the center of Centro, Merida, Mexico. So this is like the spot, the middle of the place. And those shoe shining guys were like such a novelty to me. I didn't even realize that people still got their shoes shined. Munchkin ran and disturbed these birds, and that was hilarious, but unfortunately I did not get that on video. But it was just such a lively, vibrant place to be. I loved our time here. Yes, it was hot as donkey balls out, but we are Jamaicans. We're used to this kind of heat. No, back home in Jamaica, I would not be out at midday when the sun is high in the sky, but I just had to get out there, man. And I loved every minute of it. Look at me in the kissing chair. All right, I'm hot. Yes, they say that Merida is the furnace of Mexico, and they were not playing. But guys, if I was in Kingston, Jamaica, I would also not be out at midday walking around downtown. So I don't feel like, do you feel like?
No, it's just the adjustment from Bogota to here.
Yeah, I don't feel like I am like sweltering. I don't feel like it's hotter than hot. But you know, I had to be a tourist and come out today. We landed yesterday. Had to be a tourist and come out today in Centro. We are in Plaza de Grande, which is the Central Park here in Merida. And we had a grand old time. We went downtown to eat pastor. Oh my god. I've never landed in a place and it felt immediately like home. So I'm loving it so far. I don't promise you I'm going to come back out midday ever again. I'll stay in and do what the Meridians do, Meridans, and come out after hours and place cool down though. Alright, but other person. Oh. But this was a good intro into Merida. What am I into today? Well, I'm looking cute, first of all. I am at a meetup at the Merida English Library. It's a meetup for expat teens. I'm hoping to get Marley some friends today. I had to run away from her because you know the child, it up under me like roll on. She's being shy, but I think she will. There are quite a few kids here already, and we just got here. I think she'll be okay. So I'm gonna show you around the place. They're selling these plants out here. Isn't that cool? This is a pretty cool spot for a teen meetup. I will say that. What did I tell y'all about these people and their picture taking skills? Like, there's just this big humongous hall and 3 beds. Like, that's what they got for rent. And I was just like, how ingenious, but also, are y'all okay? Like, truly, are y'all okay? So you walk through here and you have the closet and a bathroom, and I was just like, you know what? You can build 4 walls and put whatever you want in there, and bam, rent. The dining table is right there. You know where the kitchen is? The kitchen is in the main house, which has another bedroom. So that building to your right is a 1-bedroom. The building to the left is an office, and here is the yard with the pool. We left and went to eat at Los Trombos. We had pastor nachos. They were absolutely delicious. And the bill came up to the grand total of about $37 US. So I was happy. Like, seriously, who am I? It's barely 10 a.m. on a Saturday morning. I'm downtown walking around in Merida, Mexico. I don't recognize myself anymore. But I just had breakfast, so I thought it was good. I should look in the camera, don't I? I just had breakfast, so I thought it was a good idea to walk it off a bit. And look, I found giant kissing chairs. Like, they're taller than me. I ain't got nobody to kiss, so I'm not gonna climb up there. But the plan for this Saturday is to go look at some places that are available for rent to see if we can sit our butts down for 6 months and build something here in Merida. The bulbs. This park is well lit up. I can see lights all over the place. I bet it's so pretty at night. But I'm a little tired now. Ooh, see some monuments over there. Let's go check it out. I'm a little tired now from the walking. I think there are like some walking tours that have stopped in the park, because I can see groups of people with guides explaining what's going on. I'm gonna turn around and show you the monuments that I just saw. You see all that? There are some busts. It is about to get hot though, so I'm about to call an Uber, go check out my, it's about to get hot, it's hot. Oh, they have benches. So I guess they do like performances in this park when it's not so hot, but yeah, I'm about to get an Uber. Let me sit my butt down under these trees. I'm under a guinea tree, by the way, for those of y'all who love that. And then I don't suck on slimy seeds. Ooh, child. Let me sit my butt down. Seated. So it is hot. You can see I'm sweating, but I don't know. Why wasn't I about this life in Kingston, Jamaica? Something to figure out. Something travel does to you, right? Like, I was talking to my girlfriend that I met at breakfast. She has a car here now, and she said, you know, they went 6 months without a car. And she does not recommend me getting a car in the first 6 months, because you do walk a lot and you explore much more when you don't have a car. When you have a car, which is what I did back home, you jump in a car and you go where you want to go, right? You don't walk and explore. So I'm gonna take her advice. But come with me and let us go and look at this place for rent. Let's see if it makes any sense or not. So when I put the place in Uber, I realized that it was 6 minutes drive away, and I put it in Google Maps. They said 17 minutes walk. I was like, let me walk. So I actually walked here. So it's really close to downtown, and as you can see, it's fabulous, child. Honey child, this apartment was really nice, but it was on a street that was like there was nothing close by. I would literally have to walk into downtown every time I wanted something. I didn't know how I felt about that. But it was done by two Canadian sisters. I actually looked at two of them, so this is the first one, and I will show you video of the second one as well. They did everything. They purified the water so you can actually drink the water. It has flushable toilets. It has all the amenities and the perks. It has little dip pools and balconies, and bare niceties are go on. But here, what was my problem now? Two bedrooms, yes, it's four of us traveling. And although we have made two bedrooms work in the past, they at least need to have two beds in one of the rooms, and they need to have a sleepable couch. So that's how we've been making two bedrooms work. This one was kind of pricey for the two bedroom. Like, as much as I was like, this is fabulous, I wasn't in love with the location. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can see the street there. It's just like we're next to, what is that? A mechanic shop. And I was like, all right, I know Merida is safe, but I don't want to be on a street that is this lonely. I mean, they say it's quiet. And there's just really nothing to do. I would have to walk a good little distance to actually get to any kind of shop or nightlife. And ain't nobody walking that much in Merida where it's hot as donkey balls, as we say in Jamaica. But it was cute. I love the way they did it, black and white, everything. So it was cute, girl, but nah. All right, this is the one next door. So it's two properties side by side. Sisters own them both. And this one was a little bit more better laid out. So the one that we just looked at, was upstairs, downstairs. This one is all on one level. This is the same size as the dip pool in the other one. I love this little courtyard area. This one I could actually see working better for us if one of the bedrooms had like two double beds in them instead of just the one bed. Like this room right here, if this would have two bed in there, then we could have worked it. But now, it was just too much money for two bedrooms. I know in Mexico we can get cheaper, so it was cute, but it doesn't make fiscal sense to take it. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe. These pictures look better on my Instagram. The link is in the description. See y'all in the next one. Ciao.